Welcome one and all. I am Dhananjay Pise, working as a assistant professor in Department of Engineering Sciences, ASSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we are going to see one of the topic from the engineering graphics syllabus, Introduction to Engineering Curves. The different engineering curves are an ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. These are also called as a conic sections because these curves are formed by the cutting of the cone. We'll see it in the next slide. Before that, for our syllabus, to draw these curves, we are having different methods. To draw an ellipse, we are having focus directrix method and rectangle method. To draw a parabola, we are having rectangle method and the focus directrix method. To draw a hyperbola, again we are having only the rectangular hyperbola method. Another one is a basic locus method, that is focus directrix method. We'll see that one as well just for your reference. Now the other drawings for these curves is tangents and normals, but from the syllabus of first year engineering of SPPU, these things are not expected from the students. So we'll stick to the syllabus and we'll see only the methods to draw the different engineering sections or engineering curves. As I said, these curves are formed because of the cutting of the cone. So ellipse, parabola and hyperbola are called as conic sections because these curves appear on the surface of a cone when it is cut by some typical cutting planes. So before going to see how these curves are formed, how the question is how the cone is formed. So when you revolve the slant edge of the triangle around this apex for one revolution like this, it will form a cone, and the slant edge is called as a generator. The slant edge is called as a generator. This point is called an apex, and this one is the axis for the cone. So when you revolve the generator around the apex, around the axis and apex as the center point, it will form a cone. And when you are cutting the cone through the generator, then elliptical shape is formed. The shape of the cut surface is an ellipse. For the parabola, when you are cutting the cone parallel to the generator, it will form a parabolic shape. And for the hyperbola, we have to cut the cone parallel to the axis. So the shape which is formed, that will be a hyperbolic. Common definition of these conic sections can be stated as these are the loci of points moving in a plane such that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point and a fixed line is always remains constant, and that ratio is called as an eccentricity. Now fixed point and the fixed line. The fixed point is called as focus and fixed line is called as a directrix. Now this ratio eccentricity is less than 1, then that curve is called an ellipse. When it is equal to 1, it is called as a parabolic shape, and when it is greater than 1, it is called as a hyperbolic curve. The second definition for an ellipse is it is a locus of a point moving in a plane such that the sum of its distances from two fixed points always remains constant, and this sum equals to the length of the major axis, and these 2 points are called as a focus 1 and focus 2. So we'll see the meaning of this definition while we draw the ellipse. Thank you.